Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started. Closing our eyes, relaxing our arms. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Again, let's take a deep breath, breathing in through our nose and let it out. One more time, I want you to take the deepest breath that you've taken all day and let it go. Place both hands on your steering wheel for a modified cow pose. Arching your back, dropping your head back, shining your chest forward. And now cat pose. Maybe you grab onto the steering wheel, round your spine, really pull back. And again, cow pose. Arch your back, drop your head back. And cat pose. Tuck your chin in towards your chest. Let's do that one more time. Cow pose. And cat pose. Let's come back to center. Maybe shake your shoulders out. And let's take some shoulder circles to the back. And now to the front. Grab the steering wheel with your left hand, place your right hand on the passenger seat, and we twist to the right, maybe looking over that right shoulder. Maybe you feel your back crack a little bit. And let's make our way to the other side. Now remember, we are in the car, so space is limited. Just do what works for you. Come back to center, shake your shoulders out. Drop your head forward. And now bring your right ear to your right shoulder. Drop your head back, left ear to left shoulder, and drop your head forward. Now let's reverse that. Left ear to left shoulder, drop your head back, right ear to right shoulder, and chin to chest. Clasp your hands behind your head, adding a little extra weight here. And maybe you fold forward as much as you can. Let's come back up and take some circles with our hands and our wrists. Switch directions. And now we're going to ball our fist up and then open our hands really wide. And we repeat that a couple times. Face your right palm up as you pull your fingertips down with your left hand, extending your right arm forward, pushing the palm forward. And switch arms. Final stretch, we're just going to grab behind the headrest and pull the chest forward, stretching the chest and the shoulders. Maybe you drop your head back and relax, bringing your hands to heart center. Take a big breath in through your nose and let it go. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is going to be on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.